Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up the Json. This protects against accidental loss. Once done, open the file in a lightweight editor that shows line numbers so you can spot structure. Make sure encoding is UTF-8 and remove any stray characters that break parsing. You'll see braces and brackets quickly. Focus on the object you need. Now position the cursor at the first key you'll change and keep the backup open in a second window for quick reference. You should edit values deliberately. Strings require quotes, numbers do not. Use your editor's bracket matching to avoid losing a closing brace. That prevents parse errors. When changing repeated entries, use multi-cursor or search and replace to stay consistent. If adding arrays or nested objects, maintain indentation for readability. This helps both you and validators. Remember why types matter. Wrong type causes downstream errors, so double-check booleans and numeric formats before saving. After editing, always validate. Paste into a validator or run your linter to catch trailing commas or missing quotes. Once validation passes, save with UTF-8 encoding and reload in the application that reads the file to confirm behavior. If something fails, stop and revert to your backup, then use a diff tool to identify the problematic change. A single misplaced comma often causes failures, so comparing versions lets you fix small issues quickly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.